In this video, we are looking at the installation of porcelain paving using a traditional mortar bed. As with all paving, we need a suitable foundation. This can be at least 100mm of compacted Type 1 stone, or as in this case, we are reusing the existing concrete base from the previous patio after removing the old paving and making good. The mortar needs to be a moist mix, nearly plastic in its consistency, and should be of 1 part cement to 3 parts sand. Remember the working time of the mortar and avoid using anything that's over 2 hours old. Or if you're using a bagged mix, follow the instructions supplied by the manufacturer on the bag. When installed, we need a consistent 30mm thickness of mortar bedding for the paving. For porcelain, the back of the paving needs to be fully primed with a cementitious primer. This ensures a good adhesion between the paving and the mortar bedding, which will dramatically help the longevity of the patio. Once fully primed, the paving needs to be immediately placed and tapped to line and level in the patio. Keep joint widths consistent by using spacers when laying the paving. After 24 hours, we can walk on the patio to do the jointing. In this particular instance, we are grouting the joints. The paving needs to be wetted and allowed to dry out throughout the process, with the grout being poured and worked into the joints. Do this in manageable amounts, getting the joints fully filled over an increasing area. After a short initial set, usually about 10 minutes depending on the weather, start to wipe the excess grout off the paving, working across the joints, and then keep repeating this process to clean the paving, changing the water and sponges frequently if doing so by hand. If you're not sure, do a discrete trial area first to get some practice before doing anything else. Ensure the jointing material is suitable for the joint's depth and width, and follow the guidance provided by the manufacturer. Once the joint material is fully hydrated, we can do one more clean down and then the patio is completed. The client is then free to enjoy their patio, and then you're free to carry on to your next project. If you'd like to learn more about installing porcelain paving or about Brett's range of porcelain and other products, feel free to get in touch using the details provided. Thank you.